Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to kick it off talking about air conditioning company, engineering firm, etc. It's CAC 2000, that's CAC 2000, trading in their shares, and it's a buy. It's a nice size one, not a big one, not a small one, but it's a good one. At CAC 2000, two directors purchasing a total 320,549 shares, just above 300K on April 9th, 2021, just the other day. Next up, we got Caribbean Cement Company, all the rage, or one of the top performers on the stock exchange right now, based on earnings, hitting some new records for metric tons of cement and so forth. Now, appointment here, this is for the assistant company secretary role. This is Miss Alicia Shepherd has been appointed to this role or this job effective to the board of directors April 12, 2021. Now, Jamaica Public Service, that's ticker symbol JPS overall, or branded JPS, declaring a dividend here. Now, a lot of times we forget on the Jamaica Stock Exchange or the capital markets that yes, JPS actually has preference shares that are listed, a few of them. So board of directors held a meeting March 26, 2021, and the directors approved the declaration of dividends for a number of the preference shares. These are preference shares B, C, D, and E, reading just like the alphabet, folks, and they range from 5 to 7% in terms of, these different preference share mechanisms. And the dividend is going to be payable July 1st, 2021, a couple of months from now. Now, getting to some earnings. Paramount Trading, the chemical company, they have a few divisions there, business segments. That's Paramount Trading Jamaica. Year-to-date profit taking a hit here, falling 43% or so. So, the revenues are off a bit. We're going to get to that. The headline numbers, the profits are down as well. These are the year-to-date results, the 9 months and the third quarter, and it's for the period February 2021. So, what's happening with the numbers? Revenue is hitting 1.01 billion Jamaican, down from 1.14 billion Jamaican. That's for the 9 months period. The net profit shrunk also. That's what we're talking about, to 27.7 million versus 48.7 million Jamaican. The headline in terms of Delta Airlines, still booking a loss, 1.2 billion US dollars, but don't look at that loss. Cash flow positive, the CEO is coming out and saying in terms of, the results, or let's say for the March period, and they really expect to get to actually break even or near profitability by June. So the headlines really are the big news. Cash burn kind of ending in March. That's great for any business. But the huge news, and even bigger for us in Jamaica, domestic US travel recovering to 85% of 2019 numbers, let's say pre-COVID. That is just fantastic, seeing that numbers coming out there. And of course, the stock prices, not just Delta, but American Airlines, just travel stocks really rebounding, also in the cruise line industry, showing this type of forecast expectation and some actual numbers. Total revenue for Delta for the quarter, US dollars 4.15 billion, still a ways off, 50% or more off, year over year, but it's coming back. That's the big takeaway. I'm Mark Croskery, this is Business Live.